So after you've cloned or forked and cloned this to-do list repository, you should have a few files that should jumpstart you into creating this assignment. First though, I just wanted to show what this assignment will look like when you're all done. So I'm just going to run it. So I'm doing a few fancy things like clearing the screen, but you don't have to do that. But it's giving you a menu here, so we can add something to our list of to-dos, we can list our list of to-dos, we can edit one, delete one, or quit. So first I'm just going to list my to-dos. So it's going to give me an index of which item it is, which element in the to-do list it is, and then of course the actual element. Press any key to continue. I do that with a raw input. That's pretty simple to do. So then, let's say that I wanted to edit one of them. So I click the E button and it brings me to this one, and I can press the index, and then this one you don't want to use the get ch method, because what if you had 11 or 10 elements in your to-do list? Then that means that you could only, because the get ch method, which I'll show you in just a minute, only accepts one character. So you don't want to do it here, but everywhere else where you're doing menu items, that's where you want to do it. So anyway, it prints out what the element in the to-do list is, and then I can type what I want it to be. So do something cooler. Oops, I want it to be do something even cooler. Yeah. Then I can list it again, and you can see that this element has changed. Now, let's say I want to delete one. Which one do I want to delete? Sweeping the oven, that doesn't make sense, so let's delete that one. So I put in 3, and then I list it, and it's gone. Then finally, I can add and say, finish this assignment, list, and there it is, finish this assignment. So then when we're all done, we press Q to quit, and that exits the program. So yeah, so let's jump over and look at, once you've cloned and this repository, you should have a few files. These are the ones that you'll have. So just go ahead and open todo.py in whatever editor you want. Then you should have this. So these are the 3 methods that you're going to be supplied automatically. There's this module that I'm supplying you. We can look at it. To-do helper. So all it does is you can get the list of to-dos, you can save a list of to-dos that you provide, or you can get a single character. So that's what this does, and we import it right here. So here are the methods. This is how you would use those methods: to do helper.get, save, and get ch, which stands for get character. So I've got some comments here on how you'd use them, but this is just kind of generally how you'd use them. This assignment really is pretty trivial. It's I don't want to say trivial. I mean, it might you're learning how to use lists, and you're learning how to do loops, while loop in particular. So it might take a little bit, but it's not a lot of code. That's what I meant to say. So anyway, I hope that helps, just to see what the program should look like, and then also what these files